Hello class, this is Ms. Montes. For this week, we're going to be focusing on Chapter 7 of The Outsiders. As you can see, I've already posted the assignments. So right now I'm here in our stream, our classroom stream. So I'm going to go to click on classwork. And right here, these are the three that are upcoming for this week. The Chapter 7 questions. Please type in your responses to the questions and then upload to your classwork on Google Classroom. I am going to create a Google form. Let me see if I can do it quickly right now. Some of you already turned it in, so I think it's going on fine. So I'm gonna leave it alone. But for the next one, I'll be creating a Google form where you can just type just to make it easier for some of you who have not done it. But for the next time, I will be creating the Google Forms. That helps when it's a quiz or it's multiple choice. You will have a quiz on quizzes for Chapter 7. It's going to work the same way it did last time. Hello, class. Today you'll be completing a quiz on a quizzes. All you have to do is sign in and click on the link. So once you load and log into your Google Classroom, you are going to click on the link. You don't have to have an account for Quiziz. I'm able to provide you the link, and once you click it, you're able to access the quiz. So you don't necessarily have to, but if you do want to create your own account, that would be perfect because some of your other teachers will be using quizzes as well. So it's up to you, but at the end of the day, I have the link there and it will work regardless. I tried it on different devices and on different people to see that it would work, and it did. So all you have to do is go ahead and create, you can either click play live. That means you'll be playing it, and there might be other people on the internet playing it as well. Or you can do the practice, which is solo. So it's really up to you. So you can, let's say you want to do the practice. You don't want to be competing with anybody else. So you are able to hear, right here, you can click on read aloud. I have it for some of you who maybe like people to read it to you. You can go ahead and click on that option, the read out loud. If you don't want the computer or iPad to read it to you, you don't have to. Okay, so I'm going to show you just an example of one of the questions here that you're going to get. What did Soda do to make the reporters in stitches? Hit them, he got them lost in the hospital, or he made them laugh. So once you click on the response, it's going to prompt you to the next one. Okay, so I'm not going to click on the response, but there's a total of 16 questions that you're able to see. And at the end, it is linked to my Google Classroom, so it should automatically be able to give me your score. So which I'll look at that in a bit. So I can automatically already see 7 of you have turned it in. So great job to those of you who have turned it in. And that's basically what you do right here. Ruby and Magali and Angel. Let me click on Magali's. She just screenshotted her score, and that's all you have to do. You screenshot your score. It's going to tell me how many you got correct, and then I input your grade. So I'm going to go back to the classroom stream. Okay, and so I went over the chapter 7 questions, the quizzes, and then you also have the class discussion, which we're going to do on Friday. So here I will be submitting your score to receive full points. Please participate on Friday's class discussion. It's going to work exactly how it worked on the previous class discussion that we had on April 10th. So April 10th, let's say some of you still haven't commented. You still have time right now. I haven't posted grades to Skyward, but believe me, I will be doing grades this week on Skyward. because I did email a couple of you. There's a couple of you that haven't submitted stuff yet. I either sent you a private message on Remind or a private email. The next step, if there is no response, will be to the office. So please make sure you're in contact with me. So it's going to work the same way, the class discussion. So this was like last week's. And let me go to this Friday's. Okay, so this is going to be the class discussion. Read the following statement. Both the Socs and the Greasers sacrifice their individuality to the styles and sentiments of their groups. The Greasers, for example, wear their hair long and oiled and share a common hostility towards the Socs. Now read the following question and post your response. Do you believe a person should lose their individuality in order to fit in with their friend groups? Why or why not? Explain in detail. So remember, to receive full credit, please make sure you do your post and then you comment to two of your other classmates' post. Thank you. I'm looking forward to reading your well-constructed sentences and thought-provoking responses. If you don't remember how to respond to your classmates, you can go ahead and go back to the April 10th discussion, and I gave you an example here. For example, America, I agree with your comment about what, and then whatever it means to be an outsider. I also think that. So a lot of you are doing this portion. You're doing this part of the sentence, but you're not giving me your reasoning, your opinion. You're just saying, I agree with you. And just simply stating, I agree with you does not suffice for you to receive the full credit. You also need to provide the why. Why do you agree with that person? That is the whole point of the class discussion, to get you to see the other people's opinions on how they think, because you are critically analyzing chapter 7, you're critically analyzing the statement above. So make sure you do your post and you post on 2 other of your classmates' posts. Thank you and have a great day.